Is post-nasal drip causing your cough? If you feel like mucus is dripping into your throat from your nose or collecting in your throat, you have post-nasal drip. This is caused by thickening or overproduction of mucus. It can be caused by cold, asthma, allergies, GERD, and so on. Post-nasal drip can be a bothersome condition that can lead to a chronic cough. If you're already struggling with a cough, set up an appointment with your doctor to get properly diagnosed and treated. Stay tuned for some post-nasal drip cough remedies.